Hey, what's up guys, it's Icy from the PD team. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up webhooks to either a Discord server or a Slack workspace. First thing what you're going to want to do is just make sure whichever one you're going to be using, you have this little box checked. So if I'm going to be using Discord, have Discord checked. If I'm using Slack, have Slack checked. For Discord, what you're going to want to do is just go to the server where you want the webhooks, pick a channel, and then edit it. Go down to webhooks, create a webhook, and name it whatever you want. For example, PD checkout. Copy this link right here and save it. Once it's copied, paste it into the spot in PD where it says Discord hook, and you should be good to go for the Discord. To make sure it's working, just save it and hit test hooks. Once you get a notification, you'll know that it's working and you're good to go. To do it for Slack, it's going to be a bit harder, but it's still pretty simple. Just go to a workspace, create a workspace, and pick a channel where you're going to want it to go. Then you're actually going to have to go to the Slack website and create a new app, which will be linked in the description of this video. Create the app, name it whatever you want. For example, again, just PD checkout, and then pick the workspace that you just created. Create the app, and once it's created, it should bring you to this page where you just want to click on incoming webhooks and turn this on. Once it's on, scroll down to where it says add new webhook to workspace. Click on it and then pick a channel where you want it to your webhooks to go to. So I'll just use a random channel and then authorize it. Once it's authorized, you'll get right here where it says webhook URL. Just copy that and once again paste it into the PD bot. Save it, and to test that it's working again, just hit test hooks. There's the Discord one and then there's the Slack one. So they're both working. Pretty simple. I hope this helped you guys out. Peace.